Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is breakfast. I love breakfast. I love breakfast foods. I love eating breakfast. I love cooking breakfast foods, mostly eating it. So I'm going to be doing a Meatlovers skillet because it sounds good. And, tell you how much I like breakfast. I've already got 2 other videos in my mind that I'm going to do besides this one. So this month will be easy because it's a great topic. So thanks, Sean, for doing breakfast. Let's get to it. I already got potatoes on, which I showed you. I get meat ready. Some ham here, which I'm gonna chop up. Okay, ham is all diced up. I'm gonna chop up some mushrooms. Next item to prep is 1 tomato. I decided to throw a tomato in there just because. Alright, so the reason for the potatoes is because I'm making my own home fries versus using hash browns or something like that. Now, I did actually buy hash browns at the store today because they were on sale, but those are going to be in another video. So for now I'm just making up these, and if it seems like I'm making a lot, it's because I'm making dinner tonight, but I'm making lunch for tomorrow and also the next day. So because I made some spaghetti, but it was mediocre to the point of boring. I thought, well, I'll make this. So here's my seasonings. I got rosemary, sloppy mama, paprika, garlic, and Old Bay. Potatoes are pulled out and drained. Forgot to mention, I was going to put a little salt in here too. Not a ton, because I've also got salt in the sloppy mama, so you want to be careful not to over salt your food. Okay, I've got some Jimmy Dean sausage here, so I'm going to put a third of this into the skillet. Alright, just to make sure I give a... Oh, there's some color on these guys. Tell you what, like, I'm going to turn the heat down. It's not burnt, it's just got some color on it. But I did definitely turn down the heat. And the sauce I'm cooking. I'm gonna have to use some supportive cookware with the skillet behind it because I need to cook the mushrooms. I don't have room anywhere else. And I'm glad my bro hooked me up with this stove because I got a lot going on. Now with the heat low on the skillet here, I'm going to throw in a nice big knob of butter. Because the butter will just add flavor to the potatoes. And the heat is down, so I don't have to worry about it cooking too much. The sausage is cooking up nicely. In fact, it actually looks pretty good, so what I'm going to do is lower the heat on this. Which one is the front? Lower the heat and throw in the ham. The ham doesn't have to be cooked, I'm just heating it up. Go to the last piece. I'll go ahead and throw in some bacon. Not all of it. That looks like a good amount. I still got more for my scrambled eggs in the morning. I'll have to go buy another pound here shortly. And it's a little crowded. I might look into might have to measure these, get a new mid-size skillet, I think. Damn. Frickin' mushrooms, man. They always soak up so much of the grease. A little bacon grease in there. Soaks up all the. I had some olive oil in there for the mushrooms, but it just sucked it all up. Yeah, those potatoes looking mighty good. Not too dark. Little seasoned. A little buttery. Get my eggs going here too. It's not breakfast. Alright, I got a second support pan. And I want to say, you know, I only cook eggs in this. Nothing else goes in that pan but eggs. So, if you're wondering. Thank you for the stove, my brother. I'll be fighting for burner space right now. Oh, the mushrooms, there were tomatoes in there. I love those containers. Hopefully this video won't be too long. Nice. So the bugs I'm going to call done. I'm just going to put them on. That's the eggs. I'm just going to put it on low. Maintain the heat, but not crack. Dull swivels. 2 eggs. And I broke the yolk. Shit. One thing I didn't want to do again. I haven't got new eggs and I grabbed one of the new eggs. Damn it. And then for the flip. Actually, let's go ahead and... Okay, so originally I was going to cook this, or eat this right out of the skillet. Out of a medium skillet. But all my skillets are taken, so... I just want my eggs over easy. So, kill the heat. I guess I'll just eat it on a plate. So, some of this meat. Go off heat. I don't know what to call this now. I'm just thinking what to call this, but I can't call it the Meatlovers skillet because it's not in a skillet. Now it's on a plate. Mushroom tomato. And one thing before the egg. One thing I gotta have. I gotta have cheese. Cheese over the top, followed by 2 eggs. I think I'm just gonna call this a skillet anyway. Oh, you know what? I did forget something else. I almost forgot to text Pete. No meal is complete. There we go. I gotta get rid of that other oven because it's sitting right in front of my table. Try the potatoes. Delicious. Oh yeah. Mushrooms. Egg. Man, that is good. It's really good. I'm digging this a lot. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Put up every week, constantly up there every week. We just keep adding more videos. Or rather, Sean is adding more videos, so thank you, Sean, for doing that. And last week's video will be here at the end somewhere. Catch you in the next one. Have a good one.